All right, you two, welcome back. Today we're gonna go over the tutorial on how to use your app for the Breeze 4K Yuneec. First of all, if you haven't downloaded the app, you gotta go to your Play Store to download the app. It's called Breeze Cam. Okay. And then after that, you need to turn on your drone. Okay, by pressing the power button. And you need to go to your Wi-Fi. You go to your setting first. If somehow your drone got disconnected, you want to go back there and then toggle back on and off. And then there's your breeze right there. So make sure it's connected before you open the app, or else it's not going to work. So if it doesn't work, you want to power off your drone and then turn it back on. And then put it on the flat surface. So you can see the LEDs blinking, then we're trying to sync. So it says connected, and then your drone should go make a 2 sound beeping noise. And then you want to go to open your Breeze Cam. So today we're going to talk about pilot mode. You go click on pilot. It shows the battery status 75%. And you see that orange. That means the IRS is on. It's currently out of normal working range because it is too close to me or too far to detect the surface breeze is flying over. Because I put it so close, you're supposed to put it around like 30 feet apart from you. So get ready to fly. So it's give me that orange icon because the drone is too close to me, okay? But anyway, we're just going to talk about, you need to slide this. We're just going to talk about how to control this for now. Don't press the take off control right now because it's going to fly away at a certain height and distance. Hopefully I'm not going to press it by accident. This is control your camera to tilt down or up. It allows you to tilt down 90-degree angle, okay? And the left joystick is for you to fly around, maneuver, turning left, turning right of your drone. And this is up and down, left, right. And we're going to talk about the camera mode. Right now we're on video mode. If you want to snap a video, you got to press up or down of your volume button on your smartphone. And it shows that we are recording right now. And to stop, just simply by pressing the button again. I'm going to record by pressing the volume down button right here. So either up or down button, okay? And that is the video mode. And if you want, you go click on the photo right there. That is for photo, which is on the left. So now we're on the photo mode, okay? So if you want to snap a picture, you just again by simply press the up or down button on your smartphone, and that will snap a picture. And if you want to tilt it down, all right, and that is the pilot mode. And if you want to use your phone as a controller, like gyroscope, turn on the gyro, you gotta press that button and you just tilt it by flying around, okay? Instead of using this toggle switch right here. And then there's an R button right here. That is for the reverse control direction of the front and the back, left and right of breeze. So I'm going to cancel that. And then if you want to go back to the gallery to see what you just snapped, you press the back button until you see gallery right here. And then this is all the files that you have on your drone. So on your drone, you can use the data cable to transfer or sync this with your files onto your computer, either your PC or your MacBook or whatever, depending what kind of device are you using. Or you could download directly to your smartphone by pressing over here. Okay. And the one with the play button, that is the video. This one I already downloaded already, so that's why you see that arrow button right there. Majority at the time, if you take the picture on your drone, normally it will ask you if you want to download it. If you don't download it, it's not going to allow you to play. So you're going to click on download, and it's going to ask you compress file, which is you could upload to your Facebook or whatever. So it doesn't take a lot of time. But the video quality will be compressed, so it's not as original quality. So I'm going to press original files. And then it will take time to download. So after it's finished download, then you can play it. But unfortunately, there's no audio, okay? There's no audio there's no microphone, I guess, on this drone. So that's how you use a pilot mode on this Breeze 4K. All right. Please be sure to like this video and then give a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and then turn on the bell for notification. Please drop any other comments on below. Share this with your friends, families on social media. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.